In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Asana. By the end, you'll have the Asana add-on living right inside your Gmail so you can turn emails into tasks and keep projects moving without leaving your inbox. First, open a browser and head to Gmail. If you're not already in your inbox, a quick search for Gmail and a click on the official result will get you there. Once you're in your inbox, look to the right-hand side of the screen for the vertical side panel. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to browse available apps. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pane or a new window, depending on your setup. In the Marketplace search bar, type Asana. You're looking for the official Asana for Gmail add-on. Select it from the results to open its details page, where you can quickly confirm you've got the correct app. Click Install. Google will prompt you to confirm by selecting Continue. You'll see a permission screen that explains what the add-on can do, so it can connect your Gmail and Asana accounts and let you create and update tasks from emails. To enable full functionality, choose Select All, then click Continue. Google will take a moment to process the installation, and when it's finished, click Done. You can now close the Marketplace window or pane. Back in Gmail, look again at the right-hand side panel. You should now see the Asana icon appear above the plus icon. Click the Asana icon to open the add-on. That's the connection complete. From here, you're ready to use Asana tools directly alongside your messages. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the Asana icon, refresh your Gmail tab and check that the side panel is visible. There's a small toggle at the bottom of the screen that can hide or show it. If you're using a work or school account, your administrator may need to approve Marketplace apps before installation. And if you ever want the add-on handy at all times, keep that right side panel visible so Asana is just a click away whenever an important email arrives. That's it, your Gmail and Asana are now connected. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing tasks straight from your inbox.